Best wood drying racks. Wooden clothes drying racks are a sustainable and energy-efficient alternative to electric dryers, offering gentle care for delicate fabrics while reducing utility costs. With a variety of designs, materials, and price points. List 1. Household Essentials Bamboo Folding Clothes Drying Rack. The Household Essentials Bamboo Folding Clothes Drying Rack stands out for its eco-friendly bamboo construction and an elegant design. With 11 dowels and a flat drying shelf, it offers ample space for drying delicate garments and sweaters. Its lightweight frame and compact foldable design make it ideal for small spaces. The rack arrives fully assembled, ensuring hassle-free setup. In performance tests, the bamboo material proved sturdy and resistant to warping, even with prolonged use. However, the drying capacity is better suited for smaller loads, making it less ideal for heavy-duty laundry needs. Users appreciated its aesthetic appeal and sustainability, but noted occasional wobbling when fully loaded. Overall, this rack is a great mid-range option for eco-conscious consumers seeking a stylish and functional drying solution. List 2. Pennsylvania Woodworks Clothes Drying Rack Solid Maple. The Pennsylvania Woodworks Clothes Drying Rack is a premium choice, crafted from solid maple hardwood. Its furniture-grade construction and heavy-duty design make it one of the most durable racks available. With 42 feet of drying space and an extra-large size, it accommodates bulky items like bedding and towels effortlessly. The rack arrives fully assembled and folds flat for convenient storage. During testing, this rack impressed with its rock-solid stability, even under heavy loads of wet laundry. The smooth, sanded dowels prevent snags on delicate fabrics, and its unfinished wood avoids staining. While the higher price may deter budget shoppers, its durability and performance justify the investment for households with frequent or large laundry needs. List 3. Honey Can Do Wooden Laundry Drying Rack. The Honey Can Do Wooden Laundry Drying Rack offers affordability and practicality with its lightweight wooden dowel construction. Featuring 25 feet of drying space and vinyl-coated bars, it prevents clothes from slipping while drying. Its accordion-style foldable design makes it easy to store in tight spaces and no assembly is required. While its lightweight design is convenient for portability, the rack's weight limit of 15 pounds restricts its use to smaller loads. Some users reported durability issues over time, particularly with the vinyl coating peeling. Nonetheless, its low price and compact design make it a good option for occasional use or small households. List number. Whitmore Natural Wood Drying Rack. The Whitmore Natural Wood Drying Rack is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering 25 feet of drying space and a collapsible accordion-style design. It features a top shelf for flat drying and can handle up to 32 pounds of laundry. Designed for compact storage, it is well suited for small spaces. While its price is attractive, the Whitmore rack has notable drawbacks, including its lightweight frame, which struggles with stability under heavy loads. Assembly is required, and some users reported difficulty in aligning the parts. Despite these issues, it remains a viable choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a basic drying solution. List number. Honey Can Do Collapsible Bamboo Drying Rack. Sturdy. A Honey Can Do collapsible bamboo drying rack combines style and durability with its bamboo frame and foldable design. Offering 25 linear feet of drying space, it is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it a versatile solution for air-drying clothes, towels, and blankets. In testing, this rack excelled in portability and ease of use. Folding flat for storage and quickly setting up when needed, the bamboo material adds a modern aesthetic, though its durability falls short of the premium Pennsylvania Woodworks model. Assembly is required, but the process is straightforward. Overall, it is a reliable mid-range option for households seeking a blend of style and functionality.